Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of this My Passport Ultra portable hard drive from Western Digital. It's 4 terabytes. It has the USB-C option and also USB, the standard USB. So let me just grab a scissor, I'll open this up. So I'm just looking at using this to back up my data. So I'll be connecting it to my QNAP NAS device using USB just as a backup. Nicely packaged here. So it looks pretty thick. I do have other portable hard drives. I've got another Western Digital My Passport, but this one is actually just 1 terabyte. It's USB 3. As you can see, it's a lot. It's 4 terabyte is actually a lot thicker, almost double in size. So let me open this up. Has a nice feel. It's exactly the same size. It's not an SSD, so it has the standard disk inside. Let me grab the cable. Oh, it looks like it does have an adapter to connect it to the USB 3. It doesn't actually clip. Try here. It looks like there's 2 arrows pointing to each other. Oh, it does. You got to push a bit harder, and it will clip in. And it does have these little. Probably can't see it, but yeah, it's got these little grooves here. And it's got two of these arrows. So you just gotta make sure you just join them together and push a bit harder, and you hear a clip, and you'll be a bit tighter connected at the back here. So the problem now is I've got to connect this here. So it is USB-C. And then you connect this to a USB port. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.